This is it, guys. This is the bitter melon, and then I will cook this with the chicken, and then I'll show you how. So let's go cooking. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Whitey world. How are you guys? I will show you how to cook this because some of my friends are curious on how Taiwanese cook this kind of vegetable. Guys, it's a bitter melon. It's ampalaya in Philippines. It's also mapait. It's bitter. Yeah. And it's really white, guys. I did not do anything with this, but it's really white bitter melon. It's really white. So I don't know what did they do, why it became white. So I'll show you how they cook this, and now let's go cooking. Chicken, and I add some, just like that, guys. Cut, and then add some water. And cook it together. As simple as that. Until like that. And open the fire. And close the pot. As simple as that, guys. And then and we will wait until it boils. And then while we are waiting, I will show you I'll cook some other veggie using this cucumber, and then the black mushroom of mine, together with, I'll cook it here. I'll cook the shrimp, and while we are waiting for the soup, shrimp and this two some squid, few squid. I will cook this with the cucumber. I'll just add some. So I'm making two while we are waiting for the soup. Maybe I can change cord so that you can see, because we will just wait until it boils. So maybe I can change it here so that I can show you this one, how to cook this. Is that all right? And okay, we're still waiting for the chicken. I'm using olive oil, guys, for this shrimp and the squid. I'll be cooking. I will just fry the ginger. Just like that. I'm not a pro nor a chef. This is my own version, so please bear with me. I can even burn my egg when I'm cooking eggs. I'm not really a pro on this, but I'm trying my best to do it better and safely. This is it. And since you just have to add what kind of any kind of vegetable you want to put, they will not fight anyway. So just do what you want, what you love, vegetables, what your kids love, what they like to eat, so that they will eat all, they will not choose. So it's up to you guys. And the cauliflower, since the cauliflower is hard to cook, I will put it first, the cauliflower, and then I will cover it first so that it will not fight. And then I just put some water like that. It's a simple cooking, guys. You don't need to be an expert to do this. It's just a simple cooking, simple dish, but it's Chinese dish. And then after this, I will put first the vegetable hard to cook, so that, and then I'll add some mushrooms. Taiwanese people love to eat mushrooms. They have a lot of kinds of mushrooms here. And then since the ingredients, it's up to you guys if you will put earlier or a little bit when you're done. The rice wine I'll put earlier because we have kid here, so that it's a little bit cooked already and she will not get drunk. Something like that. We are still waiting for this to boil, not yet boiling. It's multitasking. Multitask. You will just do like that. And then just fry until the cauliflower is a little bit cooked but not so done. It's just half done, so that you can still cook and not overcook when you're done. Something like that. Then after that, guys, since this cucumber, you can eat it raw, you can eat it fresh, you don't need to cook it long time. For me, I will put this later. After I put all the ingredients, I will put this. This is a simple dish, Taiwanese dish. You look at that, guys. It's boiling already. Our bitter melon, it's like that. So I have to get this, what you call that, the bula in Filipino, the bula. I have to get that. We will remove that. That's from the chicken. But the chicken is so fresh, guys. Chicken, just a few bula-bula. Just like that. And then do like that. It's only like this, guys. When the bitter melon gets soft, that's done. And the chicken, you will just put together so that the taste will be same taste also together and forever. In bitter melon like this and chicken, my forever. So it's just like that. This is a basic Taiwanese dish cooking. Just so basic, guys. Not really for the pro. Oh my gosh. What is that? And then after that, you look at that, guys. This one is boiling, so we can make it. By the way, this pot is so hot. So when you're cooking, if you're cooking, you have to close it, and then after 10 minutes, you will left some minutes because it's still so hot. So you have to bear in mind that always leave some time so that your food will not be overcooked. The dish you're cooking will not be overcooked. Something like that. And then since we will add the shrimp. And then the squid. Then add some salt. Add some black pepper. As simple as that. No MSG. We are not using MSG here. So, if like that, the taste comes from the vegetable itself and the meat or the seafood you're cooking. We don't use MSG or any other what you call that, powders to make it taste a little bit better. No, tastier. You will add hot water so that you can still cook the shrimp. We can overeat, and after covering it, our bitter melon is here, partially done, but it's not yet so cooked. So more time. And then now, our cucumber. That's it, guys. Our shrimp is not yet fully cooked, so we have to wait. It's just fine. So they will cook at the same time already, because my broccoli is still a little bit hard. And then I just put my cucumber, so they will cook together a little later. We will just leave it for 1 minute, and then that's done. I think 1 minute is okay. And that's it, guys. This is how it is. As simple as this. And then we will put it here. As simple as that. And then after 1 minute, the color of my shrimp is so pretty. Look at that. And this is it, guys. My shrimp and squid veggie look so pretty. They look so pretty together with my that's it. And it's almost done, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not yet connected with me, please do connect and subscribe, ring the bell, and thank you so much. It's Meg Diaries. Salamat po ng sobra. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's it. Done. Thank you for watching.